What's up, everybody? It's Brian here. Got Holly with me today. We're going to do a photo shoot over at one of the waterfalls. We're going to try and find a good one. You're coming with us on our journey to hike through this mountain, falls trail, whatever you want to call it. We're hiking through the falls trail. Sorry. Oh! It's going to be fun. So yeah, so you're coming with us on our journey to the waterfall, and see you down there. All right. Okay, so we are at the waterfall. So I'm gonna use my A7 IV. I think I'm gonna use my 35 lens first, or my 24-70, I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna get my camera set up, get all my settings adjusted, and then we're gonna get to it. Yeah, the first step, we'll do the 24-70 first. We'll do the 24-70 first. Okay, now we should be good. Keep that pose. All right, so I got my settings. I got two filters stacked. I have my everyday filter, and I have my Peter McKinnon mist filter. So, oh, you're good, you're good. All right. Turn my way. No, the other way. Now, do with this hand here, your left hand, put in your hair. Yeah, look back like that, yeah. Right there, yeah, like that, yep, keep it like that. All right. You're gonna love these. You are gonna love them. All right, go over to that rock. All right, you're gonna come over to the ledge here, and you're gonna sit on the ledge. Come out closer to the ledge. Closer. All right, now remember to arch your back. And I gotta look in this deep water here for the step. Oh, oh my God. Look at the waterfall, I guess. I want to get over this way more. All right, now stand up on the rock. Yep, just be careful. All right, go back over toward the edge a little bit. Keep going. Right there. All right, now Your other hand, put in your hair. Turn your waist right there. All right, and then you're gonna look up that way. And then fix this side hair so it's behind your shoulder more. There you go. Okay, go back over to this rock. Actually right here, since it's not deep and it still looks like you're in the water. Yeah, so sit down right there. Yeah. And you're gonna do like this way. Or your back that way. You're good. Yeah, I like that. Keep that pose. Look gorgeous. And look up. Yep. Go ahead and put them both in your hair. Now do a look back over your shoulder. Do the other side. Yep, yep. All right, there you go. That looks so good. Just stay like that. Turn towards me. Now, hook your thumbs in your, yeah. You can look at me, yeah. Let me bump my ISO down. Whoops. Try not to look cold. Look that way. You got it, you got it. Turn a little bit more, your hips a little bit more. Yeah, okay. Look towards me. Yeah, turn just your top half towards me. Yep, keep your bottom half like that, top half towards me. Yep, like that. Yep, keep going. Keep doing that. All right, we're good. All right, so right where that foam is coming, not where the water's directly coming down, but where the, yeah, go in there and I'll stand, I don't know, maybe about right here. Oh, I got to clean my lens off. I got water splashies. So just like that. Look towards me. Yep, stay like that. Look at the camera. Okay, do that. Turn around or face in this way. Just like that. I see it. Okay, you ready? One. Okay. Okay. Almost, I'm almost done. Okay, one. No, you look stressed out. Hold on. No, you look stressed out. All right. Whoa. You're good all the way. Whoa, right where my foot is right here. That's where you want to step. You can step right on my foot. I don't care. Okay. You got it? Yeah. All right, so we did the photo shoot with Holly. She did great. Thank you, Holly.
Thank you, Brian.
High five, because you did great. I think she's cold.
No.
Where's your towel?
In the bag.
Anyways, she did great. This was Lacey's idea, actually. And for y'all who don't know, Lacey's my girlfriend, my kid's mom. We're getting ready to do photos of her. I'll probably put some in here because they're probably gonna turn out fire. I know we got a lot of good photos and I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you, Holly.
Thank you, Brian.
Yep. Peace.